Hi everybody, we're in Mexico and super excited to be here. I'm at the live Aqua Resort in Cancun, Mexico, and let's go ahead and start our site inspection. All right, here we go. All right, so as we come in, look at this beautiful room right here. All right, so my luggage just got here, so you get the bulk of that, but let's start in the bathroom. Double sinked vanity, nice backlighting for makeup. Oh my gosh. I love the amenities here. Look at these fantastic robes. Yeah. Hey Tracy, yep, I made it. Rain shower, amenities on here, and water closet. I love these robes. I'm definitely wearing one tonight. Ooh, water closet's fantastic. Listen, I like myself a good toilet. All right, let's take a look at the closet space. Oh, even better. Check this out. We get a pair of flip-flops. Yes, please. And then look at this fantastic bag that we can use to take down to the beach. I love that. All right. Looks like we got the safe here. What's going on here? Beer, soda, juice right there. Yeah, that is a great beach bag. I'll grab some really good pictures for you to use, Tracy, to share with your clients. See what I see right here, Tracy? Who would be on the other side of that door? You, because I would not share a room with you because you snore. Okay, nice TV. Look at these nice, clean, white linens. And look at that view. Oh my God, get over it. Look at that view. Oh my God. Listen, I live in Florida. But this is pretty sweet. Yeah, that's for sure. Look at this guy watering the roof of that restaurant. That's awesome. And see, look at all the water, these rooms. Do you see this? All the rooms that curve around so that you have this beautiful view. I'm gonna get my suit on because we don't have anything today. I took a super early flight so we can go and enjoy this because boy, do we have a ton of hotels that we're touring. We are right in the Cancun downtown zone, okay? Oh, I like how heavy and nice these doors are too. Oh, that's fantastic lock. Look at this one. Bam! That's like a boat lock. Okay, you guys want to see something super cool that we found? It's like a smart room, right? Energy. Are you ready for it? You got a Zen room. But watch this. Push a button. Ooh, right from the room. Look at that. Bye-bye. And then they have, what's Zen? This is Zen. Very cool. And then shall we? Bum, bum, ba-da. That is some fancy stuff. Yeah, absolutely amazing, you guys. This looks fantastic. I'm gonna go look some more. Of course, I just got here. Masks are mandatory right now to wear everywhere other than down on the pool deck, obviously, while you're eating restaurants, but they just ask for courtesy of wearing it through the hallways, which, you know, it's a thing right now. I also learned that at check-in, You can add $4 per person per night of stay for COVID insurance, so that if something were to happen, if you tested positive while you were here, you would be covered by the health insurance that was here to be able to help you. There is an $11 sanitation fee that they do charge per person per night of stay that they will collect here. That is outside of what you would be paying me for your stay, for your air transfers and hotel. So just so that you have that in the back of your mind. But it's absolutely amazing. I met a couple on the airplane that is headed to one of my favorite resorts here in Mexico. And, you know, they haven't been in forever and they really didn't know what they were doing. So they kind of followed along with me on my journey through the airport. And I'm almost thinking I'm going to have to do a little tutorial for those of you who are coming to Mexico to play, but yet there's a few different things if you've never been here before. So we'll touch base with that. But stay tuned because we're going to be exploring not only live aqua here will be for the next few nights, but boy, we've got a pretty hefty itinerary that Mexico Fam Trips has on the books for us. So stay tuned on that one. And of course, if you have any questions, now Jen and the girls are going to be putting together a little information thing about the new promo that came out for all of our campers that was dropped with 20% off or something like that. That came, I literally was boarding the plane in Fort Lauderdale when that came out. So Jen knows the ins and outs. She's going to put together something and have it posted. If it's not posted already, I'm sorry, I don't know. And so I know it's extremely limited. It's during the weekday over specific dates. Which sucks because I know I've got some really great clients that could utilize that discount, but unfortunately it's over just like a 3-week period of time or something like that. Anyway, we'll post that one. In the meantime, I'm going to show you guys all of why I love Mexico and why I think you guys need to come down here. And let me tell you what, if I can talk some people into giving me some great promo, like promo discount codes to be able to get you here on a last minute trip, you know, I'm going to do it. All right. Talk to you guys real soon. One last look. Woo!